Hey everybody, today we're going to be taking a look at the Logitech G710 Mechanical Keyboard, just released, announced on October 9th, and my local retailer just got these in. And I figured I'd take advantage of it because I've been looking for a mechanical keyboard, and I do like Logitech products. I currently have their G110 keyboard, but it is a membrane keyboard, and I've been looking for a mechanical keyboard with the macro keys on it. And today we're going to be doing a general unboxing, taking a look at it since this is a newer product, and seeing what it has in store for us. I will apologize since I'm using my phone to record. I will have to use one hand to try and open this. Let me see if I can get it open here. Again, this is the G Series 710. Slide that open with a knife there. Excuse my arms. The light from the camera makes it look like I haven't gotten out much lately. Then again, it is October. So, rather late October. It's actually Halloween day today, so I suppose this is a nice Halloween present to myself. I don't know if we give Halloween presents wherever you're watching this from, but I don't. But I figured this would be a nice little gift to myself since it came from UPS today. Sorry about that. Let me just see if I can get this open here for you. So taking a look, when we open it up here, we see the keyboard in all of its glory. We have the macro keys right over there, the gray keycap WASDs, and the arrow keys. Not sure why they put the arrow keys as gray caps because, you know, who uses arrow keys to move? I don't. I'm not bad, but there's the keyboard. Got a little stopper there, not sure what that's for. Cardboard, that's kind of unnecessary. Looks like we have the volume rocker and whatnot, like on the G110 and other Logitech keyboards. Let's see if we can take it out here. Hidden underneath these panels are the USB connectors. This keyboard does use, let me see if I can get it there, 2 USB connectors. I assume one's for power and then one is for the keyboard data and whatnot itself. Taking out the keyboard, we have this manual, no CDs in it. Don't really need a manual for a keyboard, but. And then we have the palm rest. Looks like it attaches via some plastic clips. No CDs, so I presume Logitech wants me to go out and download their G-Key software. We have a little built-in cable management thing, little Velcro tie. And again, this is quite the thick USB cable here. Comes with, again, 2 plugs. See if we can get the keyboard open here. Am I missing something? Ah, there it is. I think. Maybe not. Maybe. You know what? I'll just rip it. Ain't nobody got time to peel it off nicely. So there's the keyboard and the very thick cable getting away in all of its glory. As you can see, it's got a matte silver border with a, see if I can get it focused there, a shiny fingerprint magnet cover near the keys, and then again the metallic border on the outside. And we have the G keys. Interesting mechanical switches. These are Cherry MX Browns. Again, that's the noise that the Browns make. Not sure what these are for. Looks like, can't really get it to focus. Brightness, we have the media keys, play, pause, stop, back, forward, caps lock, gamer mode, mute, the volume rocker that I never use because it takes 3 years to use the volume rocker to make it go up and down for a noticeable difference. You set the macro keys 1, 2, 3, and then I think that's a macro recording. I think this button turns off the Windows keys. And again, the orange border around the macro keys. Not really sure what else there is to show you on here. On the back, we do see the G710 Plus. A little bit of cable management here available. It has grooves, I assume, for wires to, go between you and the computer, hide under the keyboard a little bit. We do have the feet that raise up the keyboard, if you prefer that. The keyboard is backlit. I forget what color it is. I think it might be blue backlights, but you'll have to go online for pictures of that. That is my knee, I apologize. And yeah, that's the general overview. Here's the typing sounds again. I was here, LOL. Yeah, that's the Logitech G710 Plus unboxing. Not much included, just the palm rest, a setup guide slash manual-ish thing. No CD included. Important information, not sure what's super important about a keyboard. Class information about the LEDs and whatnot. And then the super huge, thick dual USB port connector. Oh, I forgot to mention, this does have one USB port right next to the USB connector. I thought there was a second one somewhere. I'm looking around the device here and I don't see it. Huh, I thought this had two USB ports on it. Maybe it doesn't. Does not have, I will note, it does not have any of the 3.5mm jacks on it anywhere, so you can't connect your headset to it if you use 3.5mm. But I never did anyway, so that's the overview of the G710 Plus.